Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you a car jump starter. This is a DAC Life KP200. It has 2000 ampere peak current jump starter and it is in power bank too with 12 or 412 volt vehicles up to 7-liter diesel engine or all petrol engines out there. You have a car battery starter with quick charge 3.0 and type C connection. Yeah, with 4 power supply models. This battery booster can generate 2000 ampere peak current and more than 24,000 joules of energy in 3 seconds. And it can start every 12 volt battery, not start the 12 volt battery, but it will help your 12 volt battery to start your engine on your car, your boat, your everything what contains a 12 volt battery and in combination with an engine. Okay, all petrols or diesels up to 7 liters, 30% thinner than the previous generation of the Track Life's jump starters. And this is really awesome. It is so flat for this high power. You have a mobile power station and a fast charging station in one piece. 2.4 ampere output, faster and so safe. This will charge fast and immediately your smartphone, your computer, your other devices, etc. With quick charge 3.05 volt 2.4 ampere USB port, it can quickly charge 2 devices at the same time, such as smartphones, tablets, cameras, laptops, notebooks, navigation devices, mobile game console like the Nintendo Switch, and other digital devices. With up to 18 watt quick charge 3.0, you can charge your smartphone up to 80% in just 30 minutes. This is really fast. You have a DC 15 volt output and an emergency design. All 12 up to 15 voltage cars as a size can be operated with that power pack. With a 15 volt and 10 ampere output for powering car accessories such as air compressors, cool boxes, and vacuum cleaners, etc. Ideal for users who only need one device for all engine size and can charge and operate a variety of electrical devices. You have in this device an LED torch, lightning, SOS, and flash. Only thing you have to do is push the power button for 3 seconds, then you can switch these modes. Act as a warning light, or it will makes it easier to use if you have no light shining into your engine area. You have a certified safety and easy to operate mode. Modern safety technology with reverse polarity protection, depth discharge protection, overcharge protection, undervoltage protection, etc. It protects you and the device against faulty operation things. It's dripping the noise and warning signals. It's flash prong for troubleshooting. Deep discharge car batteries can also be started easily with the boost function. The boost function is in the wire operation. You have the red clamp and the black clamp. The red clamp is for your plus pole and the black clamp is for your minus pole or your minus port on your vehicle. And on these wires it comes to one big dock, and in this dock you have an LED or 2 LEDs. One is the green LED for operating everything is okay, and you have a red LED. This will mark you if you have some trouble with this device or with the polarity, etc. And if you do not handle, you cannot handle it 2 or 3 times to start the engine by using the Tech Life Jump Starter at the default mode, you can push the boost button on these wires. And if you hold it for approximately 3 seconds, that will gain a little bit more power to get a better crank for your engine. And you have a super long stand time. It will helps you uh, approximately 1 year. If you full charge the battery inside, you can use it for 1 year if you do not use it each day, okay? But if it is in your it is in the trunk, in your car trunk, you can full load this device, storage this in your trunk, job's done. If you need it, it will be there and it will help you to start your engine really easy. If the pliers are separated from the battery and the quick start system, the mobile jump starter switch off automatically. So if you are going to use it, push on the power button, place the clamps with the dock into it, place the plus to the red clamp, place a minus to your minus pole at the battery or a minus host on your vehicle. Then you can see a green LED, then start the engine, job's done. And if you like to use this jump starter device for power bank, only dock in a USB wire and then push the power button on the device itself. The power button is on and you can see how much energy is in it. You have 4 LED slices there, and if all 4 are shining, that means it is full. And if there is no LED flash anymore, then you have to reload it. For this, use only the AC adapter by docking it to the USB-C port, job's done. So easy it is, really easy. And now let's perform a jump start, for example, on a live car. In this case, it's an Audi A3 Sportsback, but it's also the same on all other devices and all other cars out there which are running with 12-volt battery power. These are the most of the cars out there, but not the trucks. For trucks is 24 voltage. Take care of this. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.